That's right. I'm doing 5 miles per hour on 275. The snow is ridiculous. Look at it. Ridiculous. I have been on the road for an hour, and I probably still have another hour to go. I'm not even in Ohio yet. I'm still in Kentucky because people are stupid and don't know how to drive. And I probably am stupid for videotaping and driving, but I don't care. It's fun. Hang on, we're up to 10 miles per hour, but I see more brake lights. Let's watch. And there's another idiot going up second lane that they're just gonna have to merge over anyways, but that's what's slowing us down. If you look in the rearview mirror, how many people are behind us? Yeah. The whole world. This is fun. Look, the people over there are moving faster than we are. This isn't fair. Sucks. So bad at 4-wheel drive. Kind of like that truck right there. Come on over, Tahoe. I'm gonna buy a 4-wheel drive. Get rid of this. Corolla. Yeah, go Toyota, but they suck when it comes to winter. Is it summer yet? That's all I ask for. Summertime. Summer. And warm weather. And no snow. They should move Christmas to summer. Move it to like July. I have to merge.